Today I'm looking at electric cars. What are electric cars? An electric car is an automobile that is propelled by one or more electric motors using energy stored in the rechargeable batteries. Where are they built? In a bid to encourage manufacturers to increase the number of produced electric cars in the country, the government is set to hike custom duties on completed business units as well as completely knocked down units, EVs components. Hence, importing electric cars can become more expensive. Central and state government has launched schemes to promote electric mobility. Current challenges are charging infrastructure, high initial cost, lack of electricity. E-commerce companies, car manufacturers, base transport network companies, mobility solutions provider have all entered the sector or slowly building up electric car capacity and visibility. Now let's look at the current EVs in the country. First comes up the cars. Tata Nexon EV, MG ZS EV, Tata Tigor EV, Hyundai Kona Electric, and Mahindra's e-Verito. Look at motorcycles. Revolt Motors RV400 and the RV300. Torque Motors yet to be launched. EmuFlux Motors yet to be launched. Ultraviolet Automotive. Scooters. Ather Energy. Bajaj Chetak, which is currently available only in Pune and Bangalore. TVS iQube, only currently available in Pune and Bangalore. Hero Electric Photon 48 volt. Okinawa Race. Yakuza Ruby. The components in an electric car. Now let's look at the battery. The rechargeable battery is a power source of EV and provides fuel to the electric motor. An EV is typically uses more than one battery, collectively referred to as a battery pack. Most EVs have these installed under the floor of the cabin. Their power capacity is measured in kilowatts. Motor. Electric motors replace the complex powertrain conventional cars. There is typically one, but have seen dual motors, rarely 3 or 4 individual motors for each wheel. The motors are relatively compact and liberate more space in an EV. The electric motor's advantage is immediate peak torque delivery and noiseless, pollution-free operations. Now let's look at the controller. All that immediate torque may not always be needed, so an EV has controllers to regulate the flow of power from a battery pack to its motor. It computes your usage with respect to the available battery charge and delivers power accordingly. This is also open the EV to various driving modes. Are electric cars environmentally safe? What do you think? The batteries used in EVs. Lithium ion. Battery used is lithium ion, which is currently extracted from the lithium triangle. Brines under the deserts of Chile, Argentina, and Bolivia. Area produced around 12,000 tons of lithium in 2016, and the demand is on the rise. Australia has become second choice for lithium extraction. Australian lithium must first be crushed from the rocks before being sent to China to be converted into battery-grade lithium. With regards to lithium, only 4 countries produce. Argentina, Australia, Chile, China combined generate nearly 80% of global supply. Other key players in lithium game are China and Zimbabwe. Compounding the problem on extractive side, lithium production is still the hand of few big multinational companies or corporations, mainly from Argentina, Australia, Canada, China, Chile, and United States. Can the batteries be recycled? Unfortunately, less than 5% of lithium-ion batteries are currently being recycled. Experts predict that between 2017 and 2030, around 11 million tons of lithium-ion batteries will be disposed of, which presents both a major need and opportunity for recycling programs. The climate impact and negative environmental footprint of electric cars is often underestimated. First, Many electric car components have little or no end of life recycling value. This is especially true for lithium-ion batteries. Second, only a small percentage power grid providing electricity to charge one's car is green in terms of incorporating mostly a mix of renewable energies. Third, natural resources such as nickel and cobalt generally have high levels of air, soil, and water pollution when being mined and smelted. Now it's some perspective time. The Chinese government promised to invest $5 billion in new car charging points. According to Morgan Stanley, overall global $2.7 trillion infrastructure investment is needed near future to make electric cars a lasting success over the next 2 decades. World's cheapest electric car to be debuted in India. No other country in the world has made anywhere near as big as an investment. Chinese government has spent nearly $60 billion in the last decade to create an industry. And recent investigation by the Associated Press found that each of the electric vehicles on the road in China provides as many as 61 data points in overall. Thanks for watching, my friends. Now make the informed decision.